grandma dying. Yeah. And your mother now noticed it.
Child abduction emergency.
County, Texas Constable's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred on February 6, 2024 at 3 p.m. Abducted was Noah Johnson, black, male, age 1. Suspect vehicle is a WHI 2007 GMC Yukon bearing Texas registration STM 7097. Suspect is Camilla Johnson, a black, female, 38, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 170 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Victim Noah Johnson is 3 feet 0 inches tall, 26 pounds, with hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a navy shirt and pants with a flower pattern. Victim has hair braided in cornrows. The state of Texas issued paperwork that removes custody from the mother. Child is in danger due to a serious health condition. Suspect was last known to be at a Walmart on West 133rd Street in Kansas City, MO on February 26, 2024 at 9:45 p.m. Please call 911 or Harris County, Texas at 281-488-4040 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Tornado watch. Tornado watch number 27, effective until 5 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Perry and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 27 has been issued.